Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking time out of your busy day to learn more about the PACT program. The PACT program stands for Pre-Apprenticeship Construction Training, and we are an 11-week construction pre-apprenticeship. We are a part of Seattle Central Colleges, and we are located at the Wood Technology Center. For free tuition, you must be 18 or older, have a GED or high school diploma, live in the state of Washington for the past year, be eligible for work in the United States, and you must be able to learn, speak, read, and write in English. In order to register for our program, you must attend an information session. This is in person only. When you attend the information session, you will register for PACT classes and apply for workforce funding. After you complete your application, we will set up a one-on-one interview with you, with the director or an admin team member. Then there'll be the physical and orientation. You must pass the physical in order to be accepted into the program. Here is one of our projects that our students build from scratch. Our students build tiny homes for the homeless. Here are a couple of pictures of their finished product. And here we show students building that tiny home from the ground up. You're going to also earn certifications for being in our program. One cert is a forklift certification, followed by a OSHA 10 certification, a flagging certification, and a first aid and CPR certification. Here are pictures of the tools and equipment you'll use while building your tiny home. One of the most important tools in your arsenal will be your measuring tape. All right, now we're going to talk about personal protective equipment. So a lot of us have heard of PPE, especially with COVID, just barely past us. But in the construction industry, when they talk about PPE, what they mean is items like hard hats, safety gloves, and safety glasses. This is their personal protective equipment for on the job. You'll also receive work gear while you're in our program. You're going to receive reflective shirts, construction pants, a tool belt, and a pair of steel-toe work boots. So again, PACT is an 11-week training program. Every student that completes the program will earn 22 college credits because we're part of Seattle Central. Your core classes will be construction trades. That's when you'll be in the woodshop building, followed by applied mathematics, which is important to help you get into your apprenticeships. Then tools and material identification, as well as handling, followed by fitness and nutrition, and construction job readiness, and last but not least, blueprint reading. We also offer support services to all of our students. We like to make sure that our students don't have barriers that are preventing them from coming to class and being successful. Some of the services provided by our service providers are Washington State driver's license assistance, transportation assistance like Orca cards or gas cards, tool assistance, work gear, and even phone bill assistance. And they do other services. When you register for the program and come from orientation, that's when you'll find out more about the services that are available to you. All right. A lot of people don't know that Black men, women, and people of color are in high demand in the construction industry. Who knows the difference between a pre-apprenticeship and an apprenticeship? All right, so the difference is that a pre-apprenticeship is an unpaid training opportunity. Our goal is to help you get into a paid apprenticeship. The goal for our graduates are to join union apprenticeships where they get paid to master their skills. If you decide you don't want to do an apprenticeship and you choose to go straight to work, remember you only have 11 weeks of training. What that means is you're likely to earn anywhere between $20 and $30 an hour. But when you join any apprenticeship, your starting wages are usually higher. And each apprentice receives 2 raises a year until they reach journeyman status. Once you become a journeyman, you can take your job title anywhere in the United States. And for those of you that are unfamiliar with a journeyman or journey worker, that means master of their trade. So our apprenticeship is going to train you to master your skill. And we will help you apply to apprenticeships. We will write letters of recommendation and support you all the way through the process, so you don't have to do it alone. That also includes application fees. Here is a link to the apprenticeship guidebook. This book is a guide to help you understand the different trades and why you may want to join. The apprenticeship guidebook is going to list the wages for a starting apprentice to a journeyman. It's also going to list the qualifications needed to join the apprenticeship. And it may even provide helpful tips to help you prepare. All that is available here online. You could either copy the link into your browser or you can scan the barcode. Here is a list of a few of our employer partners. All of these partners make visits to the PACT program to speak to our students. We'd like to invite tradesmen and anybody from the industry that's still working in the trades. Our instructors are very knowledgeable, but they are since retired. And so we want you to hear about what's going on now in the trades. So whoever we invite in is still currently working. And they're going to tell you about the good, the bad, and the ugly. That way you are prepared for anything that may come your way. All right, so the PACT program runs on the same schedule as the colleges. We have a summer, spring, winter, and fall cohort. Our program is 1 quarter, also known as 11 weeks. We are now enrolling for the spring and summer cohort. Our upcoming sessions are spring, April 3rd through June 16th, the summer, June 26th through August 18th, and fall, September 25th through December 14th. If you're interested in registering for one of our programs, please come to the Wood Technology Center on Wednesdays at 1 o'clock. No appointment is needed. You can walk right in. But if you would like to reach out to find out more information or just to double check, feel free to give me a call or send me an email. Again, we are located at the Wood Technology Center. Here are our two instructors. We have Mr. Wayne Smith, who teaches construction trades and physical fitness, followed by Mr. Derek Jones, who teaches math, tools and materials, blueprints, and hand and power tools. All right, question and answer time. Question 1, how much is tuition? Tuition is free if you meet our minimum qualifications. Is class full-time or part-time? Class is full-time, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. We are currently working on a night class, which will be 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. Monday through Friday is 5 to 9, and I believe Saturdays will be a morning class. We're currently working on putting that together, and once we have that finished, we will update the website and start registering. Next question is, how do I register for the PACT program? You come down to the Wood Technology Center on Wednesdays at 1 p.m. and I will go over the program in detail and help you register for the program. What certifications will you earn? You will earn a OSHA 10 safety certificate, a flagging certificate, a CPR and first aid, and a forklift certificate. Is the PACT program paid training? We are not a paid training program, but remember, our program is only 11 weeks, and we will help you apply to a paid apprenticeship. How do I apply for a paid apprenticeship? Well, there's several ways. The best way to do it is to go through a pre-apprenticeship. A pre-apprenticeship can use things about your life to help move you up the list for that apprenticeship. Anyone can apply to apprenticeship on their own, but you typically go to the bottom of the list. Going through a pre-apprenticeship is going to give you what you need to move closer to the top of the list. If you would like to get in contact with me, I could be reached at the number listed, or you can feel free to email me at any time. If you would like to speak to the boss, Mr. Jerry Jordan, he's our director, and his phone number and email is also attached. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about the PACT program. We hope to see you soon. Take care.